Appreciate it.
This is the first qualifying round for these guys right here. And one thing about this class, guys,
shout out
they
to
take it
Caitlin
personal.
and Lindsay.
Trust me, they want to beat each other when they qualify.
Where
Or shoot marbles, it don't matter. I got the Nova, bet 10. Bet, I gotta take the Nova, straight out the box. Bet, red light, no race, red light, no race.
What Nova he talking?
I got the Nova.
He gotta be talking about this Nova. Cause when that Nova get up there.
My wife gave me $11. She said, Frank, $9 back.
That vet look like it's. They country out there. Man, we from Texas. Let me see, man. Don't bully. What is that? We got Brian Padilla in the building. I joined about 20 minutes ago and they barely had like 3 passes. Carlos, just Carlos. That's what I be saying, Carlos. They be wanting to prep the track. We doing more prepping than racing. It take about 20 minutes to prep, 10 minutes to do a round. Man, let's go over here with fucking town. Hope he could tell us something good. Uh-oh, he coming down here with that thing. See if Funky Town know the winner. Attention in the. Look out. Funky Town. Who gonna win this? That I was gonna bet with that Nova.
Oh, you want the Nova?
Nah, hell nah, y'all attacking me too much. I ain't finna bet with him no more. Nah, I don't even wanna lose 5. I'll give you all with the way y'all was feeling. 15 to 10. My 15 to your 10. You want that? Nah, you got it.
You got some hoodies on you?
Nah. They taking too long making my hoodies, y'all. Man, I've been waiting like a mug, patiently. Let me see, Brian today. Yeah, him and James ain't cool no more, y'all. Yeah.
It was turning left, but it wasn't turning. I don't know.
What's this called? This Ennis, Texas Radio Roundup. They talking about somebody teeth yellow than the sun. Dang. I got people. I don't know. I didn't even look. I don't even want to know who they were talking about now. Ooh, boy, they know how to clean that track, boy. They know how to clean that track. Professional track cleaners. Professional track cleaner. They finna clean it. Yeah, but we're gonna go make sure it has extra protection and safety. And there is necessary to go all the way down the track. We're gonna make sure it's not a drop going down the track right now. I'm taking the forward. We're only done 30 miles an hour. Yeah, this is a CBX 1000 XXC. And we're checking it right now. We're gonna go all the way down here to the 330. I'm gonna slow it down to about 25 miles an hour, and then I'm gonna take it down to the 1/8 of a mile. Yeah, we're almost 660 feet out, and I'm checking out to see a drop. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, we have this thing prepped. You can hear it on your shoe. We have the track sticky enough to rip your shoe off, dude. Matter of fact, this thing will rip the sole off your shoe if you have them tied up.
Small time, side by side, racing only at the world famous Texas Motor.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, dude. This place is wonderful. They have a very sticky track. We just doesn't have the time to let the cars go down it. Yeah, dude, once the cars go down, the ones that we do let go down, man, these things are running fast, man, because we have the track so sticky. Look, as he applies all the sticky juice to the track tires. Oh, yeah, he can barely lift his foot off the track, dude. Wow. Oh, yeah, man, this thing is going to rip your soul off, dude. Then once it rips your soul off, it's going to start reaching for your sock. Rip your sock off and grab your skin. Rip your skin off. You're bleeding all over the track. Oh my God, it's gushing. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, dude. This thing is so sticky. Even when you walk off the track, the rest of the stick. Oh yeah, we're gonna do it some more. Oh yeah, we're gonna blow it off, dude. Yeah, we're gonna blow it off. We're gonna keep this stickiness applied, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah. Oh yeah. What did he blow? What did he do? Oh yeah, dude. We're getting this thing blown off, man. Oh yeah. We're gonna aim it down. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, he's doing his job, man. He's doing wonderful. Oh yeah, he's keeping this thing. Who hired him, man? He needs a raise. He really needs. Oh yeah, he's working it. Work it. Work it. Oh yeah, man. He's doing it. Oh yeah, he's doing his job.
Here we go.
Can't say
Let's fire him up.
Oh yeah. Oh, let's fire him up. Let's fire him up. It's sticky, y'all. Oh, the golf course sticky, y'all. God, they're like he got a spool. Look out, my TikTokers. If y'all want to see it in 1080p, check it out on my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing, y'all. Look Out Racing. They got everybody pointing in the right line. He must improve. Oh, well, he do got more stickers. Yeah, he got a Neil Chance converter. What he got over here? Ah, he ain't got nothing but a nitrous express plate. I heard nitrous outlet was better than him anyway. Oh, he ain't got nothing but a nitrous plate and some tires. Oh, that ain't gonna get it. Let's see what he got over here, y'all. I know he got more than that. Oh yeah, y'all, look. Boy, he got a Neil Chance. Oh, he got traction control with an induction solution. Induction solution way better than Nitrous Express. Oh yeah, this side, boy, he's gonna tear him up. Boy, this side,